Welcome to the Easy Guidance video on photo and biometric capture for parties as part of presenceless document creation. Once a document has been created, it is mandatory to capture the photograph and biometric details of every party involved in the document. This also includes the identification witnesses. Since this is a presenceless registration process, the correct capture of photographs and biometrics is very important. The captured biometric details must also be validated against the biometric data associated with each person's Aadhaar through UIDAI. This requirement applies to all sellers, all buyers, all representatives, wherever applicable, and all witnesses included in the document. Please note an important time limit. The photographs and biometrics of the witnesses must be captured within 30 minutes of capturing the claimant's photograph and biometric. If this is not completed within 30 minutes, the claimant will have to capture the photograph and biometric again. Before starting, please make sure that the webcam and the required biometric devices are properly connected to your laptop or desktop. Please also check the following prerequisites. The list of supported Level 0 and Level 1 biometric devices is available on the portal. The system allows a maximum of 3 attempts when Aadhaar biometric details are captured incorrectly. Therefore, please position the finger correctly and follow the instructions shown on the screen. Now, let us begin capturing the photograph and biometric details of all parties. From the main menu, go to Registration. Then select Document Registration and click My Documents. Locate and select the required document. Then click Photo Biometric Capture. The photo and biometric capture screen will now appear. All parties involved in the document will be displayed automatically in the table. At the top of the screen, you will see the Device Test button. Click this button to verify that your webcam and biometric devices are working correctly. After the device test is completed successfully, you can capture the photograph and biometric details of each party, one by one. First, let us capture the photograph and biometric details of the executant or seller. Against the required executant, click the Capture Photo button. A pop-up window will open. If the browser asks for permission to use the webcam, click Allow. After permission is granted, the live webcam video will appear on the left side of the window. Before capturing the photograph, make the necessary adjustments. Ensure that the party's face is clearly visible and that there is sufficient light. Make sure that no other person is present in the camera frame. Also ensure that the face is not cut off from the top, bottom, left, or right side. After completing these checks, click the Capture Photo button. A still photograph will appear on the right side of the window. Below the photograph, you will see an option to edit the image. Click Edit Image. The available controls on the right side can be used to zoom in, zoom out, rotate, or move the photograph. Adjust the image carefully until the face is properly positioned. When you are satisfied with the photograph, click Apply. Then click Submit. After submission, the captured photograph will appear against the selected party on the main screen. Next, for the same party, click Capture Biometric and Aadhaar Validation. A pop-up window will open. Before proceeding, confirm once again that the supported Level 0 and Level 1 biometric devices are connected to the laptop or desktop and are ready for use. In this window, you will see 2 buttons. First, click Capture Biometric. The respective level 0 device will be initialized and will become ready to capture the fingerprint. Ask the party to place the correct finger properly on the device. After the capture is completed, the fingerprint image will be displayed in the window. Now proceed with Aadhaar validation in the same window. Click Validate Biometric with Aadhaar. The Level 1 device will be initialized. A device status message will appear in the bottom right corner, as shown in this video. Ask the party to keep the finger steadily on the device until the captured success message appears. Then wait while the biometric data is authenticated with Aadhaar. This may take a few seconds. Please do not remove or disconnect the device during this process. After successful Aadhaar validation, a success message will appear on the screen. Click OK. The fingerprint status will then appear against the party on the main screen. The photograph and biometric capture for one party is now complete. Repeat the same steps for every party listed in the table, including all sellers, buyers, representatives, wherever applicable, and all identification witnesses. Before moving ahead, make sure that both the photograph and biometric status are successfully completed for every party. After completing the photograph and biometric capture for all parties, go to Registration, select Document Registration, and click My Documents. Select the same document and click the Print button before making the payment. The confirmation screen will appear. Click Preview Document Details. You will be redirected to another screen from where you can download the draft document as shown in this video. This completes the guidance for capturing photographs and biometrics, validating biometrics with Aadhaar, and previewing the draft document. Thank you.